Thank you, Shilpa. Good evening to all participants. Our most respected Dr. Murali Tumarugudi, Dr. C.V. Anandabose, IAS, Dr. J. Alexander, IAS, Dr. Alexander Jacob, IPS, Dr. Shankar Bidari, IPS, Dr. Muhammad Bashir, Mr. Denny Joseph Vatakunnel, Chairman Vedic IAS Academy, Mr. James Mattam, CEO Vedic IAS Academy, respected parents and dear students. First of all, may I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to all my dear young boys and girls to this second day webinar on higher education scholarships in India and abroad. Yesterday was a session by Dr. Alexander Jacob and Dr. Murali Tumarugudi on the various possibilities of higher education scholarships for the undergraduate segment. Today we are going to address the question in which way we can ensure a higher education scholarship in India or abroad for the post-graduation and research studies. May I take this opportunity to extend our deep gratitude to Malayalam Manorama Daily and the management to provide such an opportunity to serve, educate and enlighten our young generation on the free opportunities for higher education around the world to learn, to grow and flourish and to become global citizens. I would like to appreciate the commitment of Malayalam Manorama to our young generation, to this society and to our nation. Vedic, the meaning of the word itself, it is full of knowledge. Vedic IAS Academy, India's greatest and largest online IAS Academy, which bagged the prestigious UN Educational Excellence Award for online education and best e-learning platform in the world in the year 2020. We have a mission. Our mission is to energize India and rebuild India. For that purpose, now Vedic IAS Academy providing excellent knowledge on different functional areas to our student community. Our vision is to enable our young boys and girls to encounter their place and job and position in the most competitive world. Vedic IAS Academy, with the support and leadership of 2 Chief Secretaries, 2 DGPs, 3 Vice Chancellors, 1 former UGC Secretary, and 1 professor from Harvard University and 30 topmost administrative officers and educational leaders around the world working together for the benefit and upliftment of our student community with a wider perspective of national development. Vedic IAS Academy is now successfully conducting UN and Indian civil service coaching program for thousands of high school students, higher secondary students, college-going students and graduates across the nation. We are also conducting wonderful and scientific personality diagnosis test for the entire student community in India to assess their innate abilities and find out their aptitude and interest to upskill their abilities and utilize it for our national development. As the inevitable part of this student upskill and upliftment program, now Vedic IAS Academy is conducting national and international higher education scholarship training program for the student community across the nation. This is the first time ever in the history of India one academy is conducting 5 months long coaching program for the student community to ensure international scholarships for higher education studies for their success in life. Our humble duty is to provide maximum international higher education scholarships to Indian students from the marginalized segment of the society. Our motto is International Education for National Development. Respected parents and dear students, we can jointly move and work together on a great mission, energize India and rebuild India. First of all, we can examine what are the benefits of foreign education and higher education scholarships. There are 9 benefits for the international education, free and affordable world-class education. This is the number 1. 2, demand-driven skill development. 3, makes you more employable. 4, brings you international exposure. 5, diverse course options to choose from. Exposed to new technologies, the 6th one. 7, you can gain global perspective. 8, an experience in a lifetime. And the 9th one, human capital formation for national development. Top 10 countries with the best higher education system. There is an international accreditation and assessment agency, Universitas 21. Based on their ranking, the ranking of higher education system is based on 4 parameters. The first one is resource pooling. Second one is the academic environment. The third one is the connectivity. And the fourth one is the output. The amount of resource pooling by the nation for higher education or education. The budget provision, the percentage of GDP is the first parameter, the resource pooling. The second one is environment, political and academic and research environment. The third one is a connectivity, the knowledge network, the digital connectivity and digital resources. The fourth one is output, research output, inventions, Nobel Prize, Nobel laureates, publications, citations, basic inventions and achievements. So in the selection process, we can also assess these parameters of these universities. Based on the U21 ranking, top countries in the world for higher education. The first one is USA. Number 2, Switzerland. Number 3, Denmark. Number 4, Singapore. Number 5, Sweden. Number 6, United Kingdom. Number 7, Canada. Number 8, Finland. Number 9, Australia. And number 10, Netherlands. Then the criteria to select topmost universities in the world. There are world ranking here. The QS ranking. Based on the QS ranking, we can select the topmost universities in the world, across the world. 6 metrics are used for select topmost universities. Their academic reputation, employer reputation, faculty-student ratio, citation for faculty, international faculty ratio, and international student ratio. Based on these parameters, top 10 universities in the world, as per the QS ranking year 2021, the first one, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA. Second one, University of Oxford. Third one, Stanford University. The fourth one, University of Cambridge, UK. The fifth one, Harvard University, USA. Sixth one, California Institute of Technology, USA. Seventh one, Imperial College of London. Eighth one, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. Ninth one, London, United Kingdom. 10th one, Chicago University, United States. So top 10 universities, of the top 10 universities, 5 of them are from USA and 4 from UK and 1 from Switzerland. So these are the basic information for the student community to select universities and nation for higher studies. Then we are going to examine the types of scholarships available. Now we can evaluate the higher education scholarships. There are 8 types of international scholarships for higher education now available. First one, university scholarships. Second one, multinational company scholarships. The third one, government scholarships. Fourth one, women scholarship. Fifth one, special category scholarships. Sixth one, different organization sponsored scholarships. Seventh one, business organization sponsored scholarship. And the last one, private donors support. Then for national scholarships, we are now planning to examine the availabilities, the types of scholarships, the national scholarships. There are 6 types of national scholarships. The first one, merit-based scholarships. The second one, means-based scholarships. The third one, merit cum means-based scholarships. Fourth one, talent-based scholarships. Fifth one, women's scholarships. And the last one, micro scholarships in India. Then, dear students, I am going to assess the top 7 universities in the world, across the world, which are providing high rating and also high number of student scholarships. So, because of the constraint, time constraint, we are not in a position to assess and evaluate the different scholarship possibilities across the world. Because nowadays 85 nations are providing, 85 nations and more than 2,000 universities now providing attractive scholarships for international students. And the total number, more than 2,000 scholarships, under one scholarship there may be a possibility for 100 students, 1,000 students or 3,000 students to get a chance to avail that scholarship. So more than 2,000 titles across the world, most attractive. And the total number, we can cater more than 3 lakh students per year for the very high demanding scholarships across the world. Universities in countries with the best education system and high number of scholarships. First of all, we are going to examine the possibilities, the opportunities in USA. Out of 85 nations, we are selecting only 7: USA, Denmark, Singapore, Sweden, UK, Canada and Australia for today's webinar. The topmost universities in USA: Harvard University, Stanford, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, University of California, Los Angeles, Columbia University, New York University, University of Chicago and Yale University. So under one scholarship, there may be a possibility to get support, financial support for minimum 100 students and a maximum of 3,000 students. The topmost and most attractive scholarships from USA for undergraduation, UG, 55 most attractive scholarships are there. The maximum amount 13 lakhs to 20 lakhs per year. For post-graduation, 47 most attractive scholarships are there. It will cater more than 7,000 students. The amount may be vary, it starts with 7 lakhs to 12 lakhs. And for PhD research and postdoctoral work, the maximum amount may be 18 to 20 lakhs and the scholarships total most attractive is 13, the prestigious. So the US itself, there are more than 200 titles there and the possibility to get a scholarship for more than 25,000 students, international students. The scholarship, the main prestigious one, government scholarships, mainly 4, multinational scholarships, 47, and university sponsored scholarships, 40. Our academic and research team, the R&D team of Vedic Academy, identified each and every scholarship from 85 nations and the possibility or the opportunity to get a student to study abroad without any investment on free of cost. Every year more than 3 lakh students will get an opportunity. Then one question, why students consider US to study? First one, the country's reputation. Second one, the world's top 50 universities are from US. Then the third one, the small class size, highly accredited professors, advanced technology, and the research capabilities. So the most attractive place for higher education and the country which offer very prestigious and attractive scholarship for higher education is USA itself. So in the coming days, we will provide more support, more details in which way we can apply for this one and in which way we can ensure this kind of scholarships. Then the areas which considered for these higher education scholarships, mainly science, engineering, humanities, English language, the new area, new knowledge areas, data science, computer science, machine learning, robotic science, business analysis, and for plenty of scholarships, the variety of courses, for wonderful subject combination and amazing job opportunities are the main attraction from USA. Scholarships for UG, scholarships for PG, research, postdoctoral studies, and apart from that, short-term and long-term certificate and diploma courses are also available, and also scholarships are available for these short-term and long-term courses. Then the second country, the most attractive one is Denmark. Denmark rated the third best place to study in Europe. Why? The attraction is the level of independence there. Then the self-scheduling courses there, the low study cost, high quality English language, innovative teaching methods, then the work and leisure life, high wages, opportunities for professional development and changes, the level of equality, the highest score in the International Student Indicator, more than 20% students, international students are from outside Denmark studying under the universities of Denmark. The employment rate is very high. So every year, 50,000 scholarships are waiting for international students under the universities in the Denmark. Then the main one is the flexible course, the PhD combination. There is an integration PG, post-graduation with the PhD. It's the main attraction. One student join with one university there, either the Technical University of Denmark or the Aarhus University or the Aalborg University or the University of Southern Denmark or Copenhagen University, everywhere is the availability of an integrated course PG with PhD, the most attractive combination there. And also there is another integration is UG with PG. So these are the main attractions of the universities from Denmark. Then the so many scholarships, the prestigious total number is 60 and 5,000 students will get an opportunity. I am not going to explain the different scholarships there because of the real time constraint. So dear students, this Denmark is the most attractive place. Then the specialization areas in Denmark, archaeology, environmental science, English language, business administration, economics, environmental science, design, civil engineering. These are the most promising areas under the Denmark universities. Then the next one is Singapore. Singapore, the main attraction is the number of scholarships and the amount of scholarship. So more than every year, there is a possibility for more than 20,000 students to get scholarships from Singapore. Undergraduate scholarship, the prestigious, most attractive, 10. Post-graduation, most attractive, 12. PhD, the promising, total 4. Then, under the universities itself, 4 attractive scholarships. The number 4, but the possibility for students, it may be around 12,000. The private universities it is 17. The women's scholarship, the speciality, 2 scholarships for women. Then the UG, the scholarship amount, it varies 5 lakhs to 12 lakhs. Post-graduation, they start with 6 lakhs to 18 lakhs. For the PhD itself, it is 12 lakhs. So the amount is very attractive, and the scholarship name is very attractive. And Singapore is the most attractive area for higher education and international scholarship. The topmost universities providing scholarship: National University of Singapore, Singapore Management University, James Cook University Singapore, Singapore Institute of Technology. These are the total number, the huge number of scholarships under these universities. Then why the students are choosing Singapore universities for higher studies? The high standard of living, the affordable price, the cosmopolitan culture, Asian values, wide range of courses and combinations, state-of-art facilities. Then the Singapore, the government, they are pumping huge amount for the upliftment of the university, improvement of the infrastructure there. Then the sound legal system and the areas for higher education, humanities, science, IT, language, management for UG, PG and PhD, short-term courses and long-term courses, diploma and certificate courses. Different thousands of scholarships are available, more than 20,000 from this Asian area. Then the job opportunities also. The high-paying jobs are there. The job opportunities for international students. The work part-time for about 16 hours per week. Then we can find out. We can just find out something for our expenses from work, outside work itself. Then the next one is Sweden. The Sweden, mainly the number of scholarships. For UG main attractions, 3 scholarships. Under the government side, for post-graduation, 8 scholarships there. The more than 30 titles there. And every year the possibility to get a scholarship for more than 5,000 international students. The main attractions from Sweden. The first one is the fee reduction. 0 fee for students which avail the scholarship. The second one is high amount of scholarship. The third one is higher number of scholarships. Then the mainly from the Lund University, Uppsala University, Stockholm University, the University of Gothenburg, University of Johns Hopkins. So many universities are providing very attractive and high amount scholarships for the student community. So for UG, PG and PhD, the scholarships amount are very attractive. And the total for UG, the amount is from 8 to 12 lakhs per year. And we can meet the expense, the total living expense there. For PhD, 16 to 18 lakhs per year. And for PG itself, more than 12 to 17 lakhs scholarship rupees per year. Then the main attractions of Sweden universities, the innovative learning, then the work while you study, the privilege, then the work after you complete your studies, the possibility to get job there, learn skill for a global career, programs taught in the wonderful English language, and the job opportunities from Sweden, in Sweden itself, high quality life, and the market, very competitive job market, the fluency in Swedish language, definitely you will get a job after your post-graduation or doctoral studies. Then the English-only areas also there. Then the healthy work-life balance there. The flexible work time and working days. These are the main attractions from Sweden and the possibility to get job after higher studies. These are the main attractions from the universities under the government of Sweden. Then the fifth one, United Kingdom, UK. The number of scholarships are very high. Number of UG scholarships, 59. Number of PG scholarships, the highest rating across the world, 73 titles there. Number of PhD, 7. And also from UK, the other attraction is a scholarship for student for the high school segment, 8 to 10th standard. 8 attractive scholarships for international students. Then for the higher secondary students from 11th and 12th standard, 2 main attractive scholarships are for these higher secondary students. So the number is very high for UG, PG and research. The total title is around 150, and every year there is a possibility to get scholarship for more than 25,000 students. Then the main topmost universities in UK, University of Oxford, University of Cambridge, Imperial College London, University College London, University of Edinburgh, University of Manchester, King's College London, London School of Economics and Political Science, the Bristol University, the University of Warwick. So many universities, they all are providing attractive and prestigious scholarships for international students. It's our tradition, the growth, and mainly for the development of our nation, mainly for the national development. The contribution of British education is important. For Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, so many of them are contributing much more for the national development because of their education from this area. Then why the education system in UK is so attractive? The most attractive education system across the world. Mainly, the freedom to combine courses, the flexibility. Then the second one, the range of master's and PhD level degree courses. The third one, the reputation as a world-class research centers. The main area, supportive for scientists. And the paper, the citations, the publications, everything, publications of the professors, infrastructure facilities, compared to other nations and other universities, UK is the main attractive place for higher education, and they are providing the higher number of scholarships and higher amount of scholarships for higher education for international students. Then the reasons behind UK education popularity among international students, the first reason, the recognition at a worldwide platform. The second one, lower course fee. The third one, scholarship programs. The fourth one, different and attractive short-term courses. The fifth one, ample work opportunities. So these are the main attractions from UK. Then the employment possibilities. Part-time job and job after study opportunities are available there. Then for PG, in UK there are so many scholarships provided by colleges, foundations and private organizations. Number of colleges providing scholarships for post-graduation, 32. Number of foundations providing scholarship for post-graduation, 7, the high amount. Number of private agencies providing scholarships for post-graduation, 34. Then for UG, number of colleges providing scholarships 29. Number of foundations providing scholarships 8. Number of private agencies providing scholarships 22. For PhD, number of colleges providing scholarships 2. The 2 is the number or title. Under 2, there may be a possibility of minimum 100 students will get a financial support. For PhD, number of foundations providing scholarships 2. Number of private providing agencies providing scholarships 3. Then for 11th and 12th standard students, number of colleges providing scholarships 1, the most prestigious one. Number of foundations providing scholarship also 1. Then for high school students, 8th and 10th standard students, number of foundation provide scholarships 1. Number of private agencies providing scholarships 1. Then other attraction is the variety of courses, attractive subject combination, then the amount of scholarships, high number of scholarships. These are the main attractions of scholarships for higher education from the United Kingdom. The next one, we can examine the possibilities in the universities under Canada. The topmost universities, University of Toronto, the University of British Columbia, University of de Montreal, University of McGill, University of Waterloo, Western University, Queen's University, the McMaster University, University of Alberta, the University of Calgary. These are the main universities providing very attractive scholarships and higher amount of scholarships for international students. Then Canada and Australia, another possibility to get permanent PR, resident status also after higher education. Then why Canada could be a greatest choice for higher education for international students? 8 attractions compared to other nations. First one is the academic excellence of Canadian universities. Why our students, especially the students from the state of Kerala, and of the majority of students from our nation are moving from here to Canada for higher education? The basic reasons are the following 8 reasons. The main one, it is the academic excellence there, the teaching learning process and procedure. The second one, ample research opportunities for PhD and postdoctoral degrees. So many opportunities and facilities, infrastructure facilities. The third one, affordable fee, budgetary, accommodation and institutions. Then the cultural diversity, safe and peaceful atmosphere for the students, especially for girl students, to study, to work, to live. Then the sixth one is the earn while you learn facility. All the universities, all the higher education institutions are providing such a kind of opportunity for the student community, for girl students and boys to work minimum 16 to 18 hours per week to collect money for their day-to-day expenses. Then the seventh one, the vibrant and lively campus life, the cosmopolitan culture and very free and very healthy relationship between the teaching community, the academicians, the teachers, professors and students. Then the last one, immigration opportunities. So the geographical area 3 times compared to India, and the population is only 3 or 4% compared to Indian population. So the immigration opportunities are also the attraction there. So the most attractive place for higher education and the total number of, compared to total number of scholarships, the high number of scholarships and the amount also we will get from the from the Canadian universities itself. Then the division for UG, the topmost and main attractive and prestigious 69 scholarships are there. For post-graduation 45, For UG 69, for post-graduation 45, and for research 15 prestigious scholarships available there. The direct government scholarships, 10 numbers, it may around 1,800 benefit to 1,800 students. Then the university scholarships, total 58 titles. The availability for students, it may be more than 5,000. Then the different foundations, 47 scholarships are there. Then the employment opportunities from Canada. The possibility you apply a work permit, it is available. Then the on-campus job, it is the main attraction from Canadian universities. In the areas of specialization, 3D animation, software development, human right management, accounting, media production, addiction counseling skill, managerial development skill. For UG students, civil engineering, electrical engineering, fashion design, graphic design, filmmaking, photography, media, visual arts, hotel, hospitality, tourism management, the job opportunities and mainly job-oriented courses and combinations there. For PhD, the area, so many scholarships from the area of social science, humanities, health sciences, natural sciences, the language, IT field, science. So many scholarships are available for research and postdoctoral studies under these disciplines. Then the next one, attractive one, is Australia. After US and UK, Australia is currently the third most popular destination for international students. English speaking, then also the cultural diversity, a friendly atmosphere, the quality of education. Why international students choose Australia to study? The top quality of the universities there, the cultural diversity there, easy access to student visas. Compared to other nations, the visa formalities, the rules and regulations are student friendly. Internship, then the vibrant city life, the attractions of the wildlife, then the easy communication, incredible work opportunities. These are the attractions from the universities under Australian government. Topmost universities under the QS World University Ranking 2021. Topmost universities from Australia. Australian National University, University of Sydney, University of Melbourne, University of New South Wales, University of Queensland, Monash University, University of Western Australia, University of Adelaide, University of Technology Sydney, University of Wollongong. These are the main universities, attractive places there. Then the number of university scholarships, UG 31. 31, it is the only prestigious and the most attractive and the high amount scholarship there, 18 lakhs rupees per year for UG. The amount is very high, and per year 47 crores of rupees they are investing for international students for UG studies. The availability is very high. Then the post-graduation, the maximum amount 16 lakhs per student. The prestigious 38 scholarships are available. Under this 38, more than 2,500 scholarships are there. Then for PhD, the most attractive 1.21 crores of rupees are available for 9 prestigious scholarships, and it will cater more than 120 students there. So these are the attractions of the scholarships under the Australian universities. Then the courses, the variety of courses under the universities from Australia, the certificate courses, certificate first level, second level, third level and fourth level certificates, diploma courses, advanced diploma courses, the bachelor's degree courses, graduate certificate, the graduate diploma, master's degree, master honors degree, doctorate, higher doctorate degree, the variety of courses and the main attractions and the new attraction from Australia, the business management study, medical science, engineering, architecture, computing and IT, business analysis, geology, health services. These are the attractive areas from Australian universities for higher studies and also for scholarships. Then work during study. From Australia, the permission to part-time work up to 40 hours per week. This is the main attraction. The main areas: retail, hospitality, administration, agriculture. So many areas, attractive areas for students to work while they are studying there. And the life, it is very safety, especially for girl students. The very safety area and the university hostels everywhere, they are safe and secure. Then the technology, the cutting edge technology there, the quality of science research, the technological innovations, adopting new technologies at a faster rate is the habit of Australian universities and higher education segment. Then the main attraction is the research in Australia. World-class research development, world-class research infrastructure. This benefited to millions of students across the world every year. Then the employment opportunities. The biggest industrial and employment opportunities in Australia 2021. State government administrative areas, health services, professional services, community services, consumer good relating areas, public general hospitals, supermarkets. So many ample of opportunities for job after higher studies. And while you are studying as a student, you will get an opportunity to work maximum 40 hours per week. It will help to collect money, sufficient amount from the job itself. The most popular jobs for international students in Australia: hospitality, restaurants, cafes, bars, tutoring, caring of child, caring of aged group, farming, then the supermarkets, department stores, clerical work. These are the areas. Then jobs for the students itself: receptionist, aged care worker, then the coffee shops, administrative assistant, delivery persons. So many opportunities for the students while they are studying. They can earn money from these kind of jobs there. So dear respected parents and dear students, these are the areas there. Then today's webinar, we are only just visiting 5 or 6% of the total scholarship opportunities. Out of 85 international areas, 85 nations across the world, we only examined 7 important and attractive nations here, the topmost rating areas only. So many universities, number of universities, Asian universities mainly, European universities, then from Arab nations, from Middle East, so many attractive scholarships for the UG, PG and research students. So dear students, the amazing world of international scholarships. Total 85 based on the research report output of the R&D Research and Development Team of Vedic IAS Academy. 85 nations are now providing scholarships for international students for UG and PG and post-research studies. Total more than 33,000 titles are there. More than 5 lakhs opportunities every year for international students. From 5 lakhs to 5 crore rupees amount are waiting for international students. Another 2 lakhs national scholarships for Indian students from India itself. From standard 8 to 10, from standard 10 to 12, for degree courses, for PG, PhD, postdoctoral, diploma, certificate courses. There are so many opportunities, scholarships opportunities under the Government of India and the state government itself. Then the areas mainly, international areas mainly science, humanities, language, engineering, medical, IT, space science, film, visual communication, robotics, artificial intelligence, design, food technology, hospitality, management. These are the main areas for international scholarships and also for national scholarship. So dear students, welcome to this amazing world of international scholarship. It is our duty to provide excellent coaching to all Indian students to help them to get these valuable scholarships and undergo international education on free of cost. Vedic IAS Academy now welcome all our participants to join with our 5 months coaching program on higher education scholarship opportunities. Start from the 1st of December 2021. Classes on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. 5 months from December to April. Then from the next academic year, the time for submitting this kind of application for scholarship, it is the month of May. So we are designing in such a way, a scientific way of designing 5 months long coaching program for the students to ensure that they will get a prestigious, attractive, high amount international scholarship for higher studies from next academic year from the month of June 2022. So may I take this opportunity to extend my deep gratitude to Malayalam Manorama, Daily and management to provide such an opportunity to explain this kind of international attractions for the student for higher education and the higher education scholarships. And also, I would like to express my gratitude. The chairman of Vedic Academy, Sri Denny Thomas Vattakunnel, the CEO, Mr. James Mattam, and our patron, Dr. C.B. Ananda Bose, the former Chief Secretary from the state of Kerala and now the advisor to the Prime Minister of India. Our President, Dr. J. Alexandra IAS, former Chief Secretary from the state of Karnataka and former Cabinet Minister from the state of Karnataka. Our Academic Dean, Dr. Alexander Jacob IPS, the former DGP from the state of Kerala. Dr. Shankar Bidari IPS, the former DGP from the state of Karnataka. Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Muhammad Bashir, the former Vice Chancellor of Calicut University. Our Academic Dean Dr. Jafet AS from the former Vice Chancellor from Bangalore University. Our Academic Dean Dr. Nilofa Qasim, the former Secretary of UGC. And our academic team members, Academic Director Vinny Thomas, Technical Director Hari Krishnan, the research team leader Ms. Shilpa Shashidharan, and our manager, Regional Manager Chinchum, our technical team leader Srijit Anthony, and all members to providing such an opportunity to conduct this kind of webinar in a very attractive and successful way. Thank you. Thank you very much, most respected parents and students. See you again. Good night.